Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall hunter.io and clean up LinkedIn email outreach lists, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall hunter.io from your computer, first, open your applications folder. Locate the hunter.io application icon. Right-click on the icon to bring up a menu. Select the option that says Move to Trash or Uninstall. If prompted, enter your administrator password to confirm the action. Next, go to your trash bin or recycle bin. Right-click on the trash bin and select Empty Trash to permanently delete hunter.io. Now, let's move on to cleaning up your LinkedIn email outreach lists. Start by opening your LinkedIn account in your web browser. Navigate to the My Network section from the top menu. From there, access your connections by clicking on Connections. Review your list of connections carefully. Identify any contacts who are no longer relevant to your outreach efforts. For each irrelevant contact, click on the three dots next to their name. Select Remove Connection to delete them from your network. After cleaning up your connections, it's time to manage your email outreach list. Open your email outreach tool or spreadsheet where your email list is stored. Review each email address for validity and relevance. Remove any duplicates by using a tool or a manual search. Check for any outdated or incorrect email addresses and delete those. Export your final cleaned email list in a CSV format if necessary. Now you've successfully uninstalled hunter.io and cleaned up your LinkedIn email outreach lists. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.